Hi, my name is Diego, Head of Business Development at Strong by Form, and I'm here to introduce you to the future of wood. A future where we can build twice as many timber buildings as we do today, but only using half of the trees, making construction more sustainable and productive. Also, we're making wood eligible for new uses to make our built environment more sustainable. But first, I have to present you a problem. And the problem is that we have to build 13,000 buildings every day for the next 25 years across the globe just to deal with population growth. It's good stuff because it implies creating jobs and economic development. But guess who's not really happy about it? Our dear planet Earth. Because the $13 trillion construction market is responsible for a large share of global emissions. And today we're witnessing how millions of people suffer the effects of consuming, emitting, and discarding billions of tons of materials and CO2. Because of this, we looked around for alternatives to traditional materials and got inspired by nature. Because every day, nature creates millions of cubic meters of structural materials in the most sustainable and efficient manner. And as a result, we've created a timber-based composite that replicates the internal structure of trees. Trees are very strong and lightweight. And we've called this Woodflow. Woodflow is the only biocomposite technology capable to be deployed in the millions of square meters as a structural material for construction, while achieving the level of performance to weight ratio required by automotive. Moreover, our fully automated manufacturing technology enhances sustainability and productivity, two things the industry is craving for. Our goal is to prove that technology has reached a level where there is no trade-off between sustainability and profitability. And it works. We use our design to fabrication technology to develop a prefabricated slab prototype. And weighing under 35 kilograms, it leverages our algorithmic intelligence over mass to achieve structural performance. And the results are impressive, as Woodflow withstands loads with less than half the bending required to comply with European norms. This allows Woodflow to achieve very long spans, a crucial element for value proposition. When compared to traditional alternatives like reinforced concrete or cross-laminated timber, Woodflow excels by reducing weight and material requirements. When compared to CLT, there's a 75% reduction in the trees required for structural slabs. This in turn translates into a lighter structure overall. Lighter building means lighter structure and foundation, bringing a compounding effect to decarbonize our built environment. These developments will allow projects like high-rise buildings made from timber a reality, paving the way for a sustainable construction industry. While deploying our early products, we're finalizing the development and certification of our Woodflow core structural slabs. A high-performance CLT is 60% lighter and 7% stiffer than regular CLT, allowing Woodflow core to achieve spans beyond 12 meters in an economically feasible manner. And this will allow timber construction to move from residential to office and commercial buildings. We have also identified huge opportunities in mobility as well, prototyping interior and exterior components, where we have two different finishes, mantle and pixel, that can be made in turn from any wood species and from several different coatings. Our early products will start in the construction sector, where we will deliver high impact and low entry barrier products like freeform interior cladding. Then we'll move to more complex products that require higher certification barriers like exterior facades. Here, we prototype an exterior weather cabin with Deutsche Bahn, where we showed that our structural capabilities achieve a 70% reduction in CO2 emissions when compared to traditional infrastructure. Today, we're exploring opportunities with leading companies in construction and automotive who are helping us validate our technology and deploy our first products. Some of them have even invested in us. To scale, we will develop a cloud service that will allow designers and engineers to create their own Woodflow products. We will license our manufacturing technology to create a global network of Woodflow manufacturers. Our development roadmap involves scaling our manufacturing capabilities next year to serve our first commercial projects while we continue developing structural and automotive solutions. And to realize our vision, we must excel in structural optimization, which is what Jorge does on the right. We must master digital fabrication, which is Daniel, our CTO, does in the middle. And we need the savvy business strategy, which is what Andres, our CEO, brings to the table. We're up to the task, but we also understand that the challenge is huge. So we've established a worldwide network of leading executives and scientists to get the best possible advice. So if our vision resonates with you, join us in making Strong by Form even stronger. Thank you.